Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is.
By the way, I know that my background's different. It's literally because my son will not leave my room. So he's in there with his dad right now and I just needed, some privacy to have some one-on-one talk with you guys. You guys know how it is. Anyways, today we're going to be doing a product review on HUDA Beauty. HUDA just came out with, I don't know if you guys hear my son yelling. Honestly, it's always a family affair. Whenever I do these videos, it's always a family affair, you guys. I don't know what to tell you, but you mothers understand, right? Okay. HUDA is always coming out with different eyeshadow palettes. My favorite thing about them is the pigment on it. So I got this one. It is so beautiful, like the colors and everything. What I love about this is that it has a mirror also. You'd be surprised, like you'd think that a lot of these eyeshadow palettes have mirrors attached to them, but they don't. And I think this is a plus because if I'm traveling and I don't want to bring my hefty mirror, there's more of a chance for me to bring an eyeshadow palette with me that has a mirror than one that doesn't, right? I did this makeup look with it. This is really simple. It's like a cut crease, well, a half cut crease. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the button down below that says subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to comment. I love the interaction with you guys. Let's get it. Girl, I see your face. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed my fiance behind me sleeping, but like I said, it's always a family affair. Anyway, so I'm taking my So Glow Cosmetics moisturizing cream and I am moisturizing my dry skin all over. And don't forget to use my promo code to get your discount on your So Glow Cosmetics. And now I used my primer, my milk primer, and now I am using my orange corrector to get rid of my hyperpigmentation. And I'm taking a spoolie to do my eyebrows. And I'm using my Rare Beauty Brow Harmony pencil and gel, and I use it in the color Warm Auburn. So this color really makes my eyebrows beautiful because it's a nice brown and it matches my hair perfectly. So I use the pencil end and now I'm just using the gel end. Yep, and there he goes moving. And now I'm just drying it out a little bit. Now I'm going to use my L.A Girl Cosmetics concealer to make sure that my eyebrows look nice and clean, and I'm using this in the color Fawn. I'm just blending it out with my finger, and you guys, I already know I need to get my nails done. I know, it's crazy. I don't know what to tell you guys. But yep, that's my son in the background, by the way. And now I'm taking my Too Faced matte foundation in the shade Spiced Rum. So you guys already know this is currently my favorite foundation, and I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. I need to get a new one, by the way. I've had this one for a while. Put your faith in me, put your love on me. And now I'm taking my L.A Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just putting it underneath my eyes, on my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. And what I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna take the same concealer but in the shade Warm Honey, and what this is going to do is it's a shade lighter, so it's just gonna brighten underneath my eyes. And I just put that one underneath my eyes because I really love it when under my eyes is nice and bright. Talking to me, now I'm talking sweet over myself. And to bake my face, I'm going to take my HUDA Beauty baking powder in the color Blondie. And what I used to do is that I used to take a beauty blender and put it underneath my eyes and stuff, but I'm using a different type of method, and I am using a brush to bake my face instead, just because I don't want any harsh lines or anything. So I feel like this really helps. And to contour, I am using my Morphe Brontour in the shade Showmance. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take. Now what we've been waiting for, I am going to use the Sand Haze eyeshadow by HUDA Beauty. So I am using the darkest color and just basically putting it in my crease, but I'm trying to go a little bit higher than my crease too because I have really small eyes, but I'm making sure to blend it out properly. And now I'm using a little bit lighter of a color and I'm putting it on my lid. I'm trying to concentrate more on the outer side of my lid, but it's basically all over my lid. And now I'm going to use the darkest color again just to make sure that it's blended out properly. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Cosmetic concealer in the shade Warm Honey just to cut my crease. And I'm just doing half a cut crease, so as you can see I'm not doing the full thing. And it doesn't have to be too neat, depending on, you know, how much of a perfectionist you are, but I'm still a beginner, right? So in my opinion, it'll still look nice when I put the eyeshadow on.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much.
I'm using the lightest shade in the eyeshadow palette and I'm just putting it on top of where I just cut the crease to set it. And now I'm using this color to put where I cut my crease, and I'm using my finger because I don't know, I feel like there's more pigmentation when you put your finger instead of just using a brush. I could be wrong, but you guys let me know, what brush do you guys use when you really want, like, you know, a really good definition of an eyeshadow. And now I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mocha, and I'm just using that to blend out everything on my face. And now I'm just fixing my eyebrows a little bit with that same gel Harmony pen. And now I'm using the One Size 24-Hour Liquid Eyeliner Pen by Patrick Starr, and I really love this as my eyeliner. And I'm just creating a winged type of eyeliner look. And of course, before I put on my eyelashes, I'm using my Diorshow mascara to make sure that the lashes blend in properly with my actual lashes. And I want to put a little bit of a darker shade on my waterline, so I am using the darkest color on the eyeshadow palette and I'm just putting it under my waterline with a thin brush. So I put my lashes off camera and now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette to make sure that my highlight is poppin'. And I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose. I always put it on my nose. It's my favorite thing to do. And now for my lips, I am using my MAC Cosmetic Chestnut to line my lips. And then I'm going to take the Sephora liquid lipstick in Pretty Auburn. It's my first time using it and I really love the color. It's such a fall, beautiful type of color. And I used my NYX setting spray and I'm just lining my lips one more time because I loved a defined lip liner. So this is the final look, as you guys know, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love this eyeshadow palette. Like I said, the pigment is just amazing. I will be using it quite often. Maybe I could do a swatch of it on my arm for you guys too, but if anything, I will upload the swatch on my Instagram. So you guys are gonna have to go there, follow me, and you guys can see how it looks like on chocolate skin. And you guys, I don't want to keep you too long, but I just want to say thank you so much to my supporters, like everyone who is constantly sharing and liking and commenting and just giving me encouragement. You guys, it is so encouraging. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I felt like giving up at a point of time, but the encouragement is just everything. So thank you so much. It's so hard to do these videos. I used to think that, like, you know, this is not a real job. No, like, people do this full time, and I completely understand. Because listen, even behind me, like, I didn't even have time to clean this room before I even did this video. Why? Because I'm going to see my sister soon, and I have to get my son ready. I have to bathe him, everything. So it's just a lot of work to do. I really appreciate everyone who's just always supporting me, and you know, you guys are keeping me going. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Put your love on me.